This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel.
Okay, for the outline generator, once you receive the zip file, you're going to extract the zip file. Okay, so here is the extracted file. You're going to find the exe, just the image assets, and then the input file. We'll first look at the input file. So you open this, and what you're going to do is in the input section, you're going to put the keywords you want to create outlines for. And then in the ready, you'll put just an X in here saying that this one's ready to be done. This is so that you can go ahead and put a bunch of words here, but if you don't want to run them, it'll only run the ones that are ready, and it will only run the ones that have nothing in the status. So as it completes an outline, it comes back, puts status completed, and puts the outline so that you don't have to remove them, just keep doing. So it will check if it's already been ran, it'll skip it, and it'll only run ones that have the ready. So for example, like for this keyword run, it would run and create an outline for that term. So that's how you use the input file. And then you're going to open the generator, and you're going to put in your license key. Okay, let me grab a. Okay, so you put in your license key. Okay. And then the outline generator will open up. You're going to have to go here to set your OpenAI key. And then there'll be a link here to the training as well in case you forget anything. But you'll hit set your OpenAI key. This will pop up and you'll place your OpenAI key here. I'm going to take this off screen and put my OpenAI key in. Okay, now that I've set my OpenAI key, what you'll do is you're going to select File. You're going to grab your the outline input file and say Open. It'll show you here what you've selected. And you'll say Submit File for processing. So you submit that, and it's going to go here. It's creating our outline. It's using GPT 3.5 Turbo for the outlines. It prints out the outline, you can see it, but status has been updated successfully, which means it has updated your input file. And if you had more than one row, it would then circle through and it'll just completely do all the different rows. Once it circles through all the rows, you'll see a thing. It'll pop up here and say complete. So here you can see all outlines have been generated and saved to the outline exports folder. So now we'll close the software. You can see here's the outline exports, and here is keyword 1, and here is the outline for the article. And as I was saying before, in the outline input, it also places it here. So you can see it marks it as completed, so now it will no longer do this line, and it also puts it in the outline thing here so you can see it in Excel. So there's the same outline. If for some reason you wanted to redo this keyword, you could just delete the outline and the status and save, and now it will start back up because that says ready and nothing in status, and it'll rerun that. But that is how you run the outline generator.
This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.